Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how I made these delicious sausage egg burritos. So make sure you stick around. We're going to start here with some Jimmy Dean sausage. I'm using sharp cheddar cheese. We're going to have scrambled eggs in this, as well as some pico de gallo. You'll also need 2 russet potatoes. You'll need your flour tortilla shells. Make sure you get the burrito size. You'll also need green onions, a red and green bell pepper. So first, let's start by chopping up our vegetables. Always make sure that you rinse and clean them off first before you begin to cut these down. I'm going to be using these for the potatoes. Okay, if you don't like bell peppers, then you can just leave it out. Now I'm also going to use green onions as well in my burrito, not necessarily in the potatoes per se. I'm not going to cook them with the potatoes, but I am going to add them to the burrito. So now I just want to show you really quickly how to chop up this potato. So I sliced this in half lengthwise, and I took that half and sliced it in half again, and just chop these down to small chunks. You want to make sure that you add this to some water so that those potatoes don't turn brown while you prep your other ingredients. So now go ahead and shred or grate your cheese. Shred, grate, same thing. Shred the cheese, okay? You can use whatever type of cheese that you like for this recipe. So now go ahead and scramble those eggs. Make sure they are not overcooked. I also did a video showing how to cook eggs, a more detailed video. You can check that out if you're interested. But if not, just make those eggs, okay? Okay, so let's finish up rather with the sausage. Now, if you don't want sausage, you can use bacon for this recipe, but I prefer sausage. And as you can see, I am just kind of like roughly chopping the sausage down because I don't like it to be really crumbly. So when you cook it, make sure that you just cook it until it's no longer pink. For the potatoes, I've added oil and butter on high heat, dropped in those potatoes, and these were seasoned with salt, pepper, onion powder, garlic powder. And you just want to let these cook, cover it with the lid so that those potatoes can begin to steam and get softer. Make sure that you monitor these so that they don't burn. Once they are fork tender, then you can drop in those bell peppers. You only need to let them cook for about an additional, I would say about 3 minutes, maybe about 3 to 5 minutes. But you don't want to add your peppers too soon because they'll burn. So from here, now you can assemble your burrito. This was quick and easy. I hope you see that. If you've never made a breakfast burrito before, I hope that I've done a great job at demonstrating how easy this is to make. So now you just want to assemble your toppings in whatever order that you like. Cook it up, however you like. I've added some green onions just to give it a nice, give it that taste that green onions bring to the table, okay? Then you're gonna fold this burrito up here. Now from this point, if you like, you can place this in a skillet and you can just kind of fry that burrito, fry that shell, or you can just eat it just, straight up like this with a glass of OJ and you're good to go. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please click the like button if you enjoyed this video, and I hope to catch you in my next one. Green onions. Just take the stickers off of the produce, like take it off. You're going to use a bell pepper, some sausage. I'm really going to do about 8 eggs, but for this video, I'm just going to show them about 4. You might want to do, I'm going to say about 3 eggs. Pico de gallo. And the rest of this stuff, I'm going to put away. Put this up. And I do have to chop up some more green onions. I like to rinse my potatoes. Actually, we're just gonna sit it right here. We're gonna reserve that right there. We're gonna go in with a peeled potato. I'm gonna peel my potatoes real quick.